Hey there, welcome back to my series, E-Learning Accessibility Tips and Tricks. Let's talk about hyperlinks, also known as links, also known as URLs, also known as, I have no idea, it's probably lots of other words for this, but I'm just going to stick with the word hyperlinks. All right, this should be pretty short and sweet if you're creating a web page or document. It's really important that to be accessible, you follow some very clear, pretty easy to follow guidelines. First off, avoid statements like click here. You ever received one of those emails from HR, or you're looking at something online that says, if you want to do this, click here. If you want to do this, click here. If you want to do this, click here. And it's got like a whole list. If you're using a screen reader, that screen reader just reads the words click here. So if a screen reader user or a keyboard navigator wants to see what the links are in a document to decide where to go, or on a web page and to see where to go, they're going to be scrolling through those URLs, those hyperlinks, and every single one's just going to say click here, click here, click here. I mean, would you click on one of those? You have no idea where they're going to go. So instead, use descriptive statements as your hyperlinks instead, like sign up for an account, latest circulation report, so that if these hyperlinked words were independent of any other information, it would be very clear where they go, or at least a lot more clear than click here. All right. Additionally, avoid pasting in links like this. This happens all the time. Even people that should know better will still paste in things like this. The problem with links like this is that a screen reader will read every single letter of this hyperlink URL out loud. Please don't torture people. And also, it's ugly. No one wants to look at the hyperlink or the URL itself. They just want to be able to click on the hyperlink. It's a huge problem if it does read every character of a link out loud. So instead, look for this icon or use Control K. If you are in Microsoft Word, you can just highlight the text you want to hyperlink and then right click or use Control K to add the hyperlink. If you are in some sort of web editor or WYSIWYG editor like your learning management system, again, highlight the text, look for the button that has little chains on it, and that's going to be your best friend for making hyperlinks. Additionally, only links should be underlined. It happens automatically, generally, if you're using the hyperlink button, because if something else is underlined, it looks like a link. And so that's a problem for anyone that's sighted, but might be wondering if something is a link or not. It's bad usability to underline things that are not links. Use bold, use italics instead. And finally, avoid redundant links. This is bad accessibility. It can be confusing for people that are using screen readers if there is more than one link to the same thing in the same document or page. So just avoid linking to the same thing more than once in a page. Only underline links or allow the hyperlink formatting to do it for you, and you are good to go. Hopefully these are pretty straightforward tips and tricks you can put to work very quickly in your own documents.